Chapter 10, we are going to use this diagram to find one of each parts of the circle here. All right, so first of all, we want to find the center. The center is the point that is located in the middle, which is going to be point P. The radius, it is from the center to the circumference, and that is a line segment of PM. The diameter would be the complete length that goes through the center from one end of the circumference, passes through the center to the other end. So that is line segment and L. Chord, which is just a part that goes from one part to the other. So you can write M line ML, or you can also do this part here as well. KL is also one. Okay. Next, you want to do a secant. The whole thing here would be a secant, right? It goes from the outside in. That would be JL. Tangent. The tangent is a line that's from the outside. It only touches one point here. So it would be line JN would be the tangent. Central angle, it uses the center. So notice this here uses the center angle, right? So we could call that a central angle. Angle MPL. An inscribed angle is an angle that uses the inside. So I'm going to use, let's say, pink here. So this here touches the circumference, okay, and that would be an inscribed. So angle KLM. A major arc is the bigger arc. So let's say this whole thing here, it can be the major arc. So arc KML, that makes this part here the minor arc of just arc KL. Semicircle is the part that cuts here's the diameter, right? And the arc for that diameter is going to be the semicircle. So we can say that would be arc NML. All right, there you go.